Okay, so we're going to learn to change our colours. We're going to have our finished first colour. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go as if we were going to knit as normal, but instead of using our blue yarn, we're going to bring in our new yarn. We're going to need a nice tail so that you can sew in the end. And you're literally just going to make a loop, pop it on your needle like so, and you're just going to carry on knitting. And then what you can do is you can just pull this bit tight, pull your old yarn just so that you're locking it in, and then carry on knitting as normal. And then what you'll see, what I was talking about on Saturday, was the right side and wrong side. So now this is now my right side, and I'll show you why now. So if you can see, that's a nice smooth colour transition. And then on the back you can see you've got the little grooves of the colours.
Yeah.
So when you go to change your colour again, you want to make sure that when the work is facing you to join your new colour, this is what you're seeing. Okay, otherwise you're going to have crisscross front, right and backs. And that's it.